And I got my necklace. It's sealed open.
Wow. What else did you get?
Stickers.
Wow.
My stickers. I got 2 stickers.
Wow.
I got Dora and Princess.
Wow.
Here you go. Look, it's bigger than you. Ribbit, ribbit. I got little fruit snacks. Little fruit snacks are yummy. A card. Mommy and Daddy got me a card. 2 cards. They
Wow.
both have freeze on it because I'm free. Dad, what?
Wow, open that one big card over there. In front of by your bowl.
By your ball?
It says Olivia on it.
My spider ball. A card. You got me a card.
You could color in it.
Yeah, it's Dora and Boots.
What's the card say?
Happy birthday.
Yep. How old are you today?
3.
Wow.
I'm free. What this is? It's Swiper the fox. Its tail.
Yeah.
What is it for?
Look over there on the wall.
Maybe he lost it.
Yeah, it's called Pin the Tail on the Swiper.
He lost it.
You did it perfect. Uh-oh.
It
We have to get tape. You want to get some tape?
Yeah.
Okay.